In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add more storage into your Gmail. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Gmail account. Then from here, you'll need to go up to the settings tab up here in the right hand corner. Then from here, you'll see this page called Quick Settings. From here, you'll need to click See All Settings over here. And then this page should be popping up. And this can look a little bit overwhelming, but don't worry. You'll just need to click Account and Import. And then from here, you will see how many gigabytes you have already used inside of your Gmail. From here, if you click on it, a new page will pop up called Google One. And here you can get more storage with a discounted plan. And here you can select between 100 gigabyte or 200 gigabyte. But if that isn't enough, you can also click See All Plans over here. And then from here, all of this will be popping up where you can choose between 100 gigabyte, 200 gigabyte, and 2 terabytes. From here, you will need to click Get Discount, and then click Continue, and then add in your billing address and credit card information. Then from here, you'll have successfully get more storage into your Gmail account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!